Mama Pizza! Mamma Mia, Pizzeria. Hey guys, welcome to funwitho. Today we are making some pizza.
Some pizza? Who likes pizza here?
Me.
Are you sure?
The most.
The most? I know, you'd have pizza every day if you could. So, we first need to make a sauce.
Yep.
So it's a pretty simple recipe. We need some tomato sauce, some garlic, oregano, and some basil.
Yep.
And then we can make that, put it on our dough, sprinkle some cheese, and we'll have a pizza. Does that sound good? So we need about 8 ounces. Help me dump it. Okay, not the whole thing. Okay, we need some garlic.
I thought I hold it in. Me too.
Half a teaspoon. Okay, we need half a teaspoon of oregano, and that's all in that one that you got. The bud. Hold it flat. Yep. That's okay. Sometimes you get a little much. Half teaspoon of dried basil. Teamwork, teamwork. Okay. Okay. Let me grab a spoon, then let's mix it up. So we sprayed it with olive oil. This is to help the dough slide in the pizza oven once we get it ready. You guys want any, should we do a little bit of pepperoni?
Yeah.
Maybe just on one side. So here's our pizza crust. And it's got some parchment paper attached to it already. So all we need to do, and it's up and safe.
Again. Open the pepperoni.
So there's our crust. Do 1 spoonful, bud.
Okay.
Just 1 spoonful, careful not to spill. Then just put it right on, and then kind of spread it around with the back side of the spoon a little bit. There you go.
There's no more. We can put some more on.
Spread it in. Do 1 more spoonful each. See how we do. So this will be an interesting experiment. We have a little pizza oven outside attached on our grill. So we'll see how this works with the parchment paper underneath. A little handful. Sprinkle. Let Ollie do it. Little handful. Sprinkle it around. There we go. Alright, so there we go with our cheeses. We got mozzarella as the white cheese, and then a little bit of the sharp cheddar to give us some flavor. Throw some pepperoni on there.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
Let's have a try of it too.
They're good to eat too, huh?
Yep.
Okay, put a couple more on there. Is it a little spicy?
No.
Not bad.
No. So I put the pepperoni on. I'm gonna eat some pepperoni.
Yeah, maybe just Ollie put 2 more on, and then it should be good.
I want another one.
And then we can go turn on our pizza oven and get her going. Nice job. All right, here is the pizza oven. We're getting heated up here, 350 degrees, about another 50 degrees, and we'll slide the pizza on in there. All right, there it is. Top is starting to crisp, so let's get it out of the little pizza oven. See how it turned out. Okay, there it is. Okay, here it is inside. Let's cut her up and taste it.
Yummy.
How's it look?
Good.
Okay, guys, what do we got there?
Pizza, strawberries, and raspberries.
Some raspberries.
Yeah.
Okay, should we give the pizza a little taste-a-roo?
Sure.
See how it turned out?
Yes. He's hot.
It was a little hot.
Good.
How'd it turn out?
Good.
Good, a little hot still. All right,
But I like it.
that's good.
Thanks to making pizza with that. Subscribe and like and see you next time. Bye.